In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send large files in Gmail. If you've ever tried to attach something big and hit Gmail's size limit, this method is the simple, reliable workaround. We'll use Google Drive to host the file, and then share it through Gmail with just a couple of clicks. Start by opening your Google Drive. Upload the large file you want to send so it lives safely in the cloud. You can drag and drop the file into your drive, or use the New button and choose File Upload. Give it a moment to finish. Larger files may take a bit depending on your internet speed. While you wait, it helps to make sure the file name is clear and recognizable so you can find it quickly when you switch to Gmail. Once the upload finishes, head over to Gmail and click Compose to start a new message. In the message window, look at the toolbar along the bottom. You'll see a small triangle icon. That's the Google Drive button. Click it, and a window will open that shows your Drive files, including the one you just uploaded. If you don't immediately see it, check the Recent section or search by the file name you uploaded earlier. Select your large file from the list and confirm the insert. Gmail will place a Drive link directly into your email draft. This doesn't attach the file itself, it adds a link to the version stored in your Drive. That means you aren't limited by attachment size, and your recipient can access the file without you needing to compress it or split it up. Add your recipient, a clear subject, and any message you want to include, and then send the email as usual. The recipient will receive your note along with the Drive link that leads straight to the file. If Gmail notices that your recipient might need permission to view the file, it may prompt you to adjust access before sending so everything works smoothly. That prompt is there to help ensure they can open it right away. A quick tip: keep the file in your Drive after you send the email. If you remove it later, the link will no longer work. Also, if you ever rename the file in Drive, the link still works, but using a descriptive name from the start makes it easier for everyone. And that's it. Upload to Drive, compose in Gmail, insert the Drive link, and send. It's fast, it's clean, and it's the best way to share large files without running into size limits.